When you click on modules from your Canvas homepage, you'll see that each module has a certain set of requirements that need to be finished until it's completed. So look for the green check marks to know that everything's finished and completed in order to move on. Since this homepage has already been viewed, it's already indicated with a check mark, but other things need to be submitted, marked as done, or maybe you need to score a minimum grade in order to have it marked as complete. For this item, it's view only, so I'm going to click on this page. And even though I don't have a student login with this pretend student account to see what's embedded, I have viewed the Canvas page. So when I go back to modules, you'll see that it's now checked with a green check mark. In addition to using the module requirements to stay organized, if you return to the home page, your student to-do list on the far right corner is another great tool. Since we just viewed that page, I'm going to cross it off of my to-do list by clicking on this X. Both of these will help keep me organized and on task throughout the duration of the semester.